I was recently conducting a sales training session on closing the sales strategies for a highly experienced and very professional sales team. But during a role-playing session, I was surprised how many used phrases such as, "What do you think of my proposals? Do you think we have the right fit for you? Do you think you could accommodate these proposals into your budget for this year?" My key concern is the use of the word think, and for a couple of reasons. Firstly, people buy for emotional reasons and sometimes need logical reasons to justify their decision. Think is a prompt for them to use logic. So replace think with feel. Secondly, using the word think prompts your prospect to need to think. And that's often going to lead to the dreaded response, "I need to think about it." In complete contrast, asking someone how they feel will almost always create an instant feeling. So again, replace think with feel. The revised closing or trial closing question should therefore be, how do you feel about my proposals? Do you feel we have the right fit for you? Do you feel you could accommodate these proposals into your budget for this year? Do you feel this will work better for you too? Do you feel this will work better for you and avoid that dreaded, "I need to think it over"?